Welcome back. Are you ready? Today I am going to teach you area and perimeter of plane figures. First, I will take case of triangle. Perimeter. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter of a plane figure is length of boundary. Length of boundary means that as example for in triangle ABC, length AB plus BC plus CA. This is a length of boundary, the sum of the length of the boundary known as perimeter of plane figure. Area. The area plane figure is measure the surface enclosed by it means plane figure means the surface enclosed by this triangle is known as area. So that its unit is meter square or centimeter square, and unit of perimeter meter or centimeter. Area and perimeter of triangles in figure. ABC is a triangle. AD is height on a side BC from a vertex A. Area of triangle 1 by 2 base into corresponding height means 1 by 2 BC. This BC you may into this AD you can say, and perimeter sum of the sides AB, BC, CA, AB plus BC plus CA. This is perimeter. Heron's formula: if ABC are three sides, A, B, C are three sides of triangle, its perimeter may be written 2x equal to A plus B plus C, or S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. This is the S means half of the perimeter. Then area of the triangle ABC root S into A into S minus B into S minus C. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means having the each side equal, known as equilateral triangle. Its perimeter equal to 3 times of the side because side is equal A, and area equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. Now come on the area of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle having two sides equal, AB and AC are equal, that is A. Its formula 1 by 4 B means base BC into height H, that value is a root 4 square minus B square. AD, that is height H, AD height H, A square minus this B by 2 whole square. We will get A square minus B square by 4, or 4A square root 4A square minus B square upon 2. Area 1 by 2 base into height 1 by 2 base B into height AD. For the value of AD, here we will get 1 by 4 B root 4A square minus B square. Area of right angle triangle. One angle is right at B, so that this is base. We consider BC as a base, AB as a perpendicular on the base. Therefore, area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 base into altitude, or base into height, or base into perpendicular 1 by 2 BC into AB. Now come on some question. Question 1. Area of equilateral triangle is area of triangle is 36 root 3 square centimeter. Find its perimeter. finds its perimeter. Solution 1. We know that area of equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 side square. Therefore, root 3 by 4 into a square, where is the side, this is given 36. Root 3 equal to root 3 by 4 into a square. Root 3 cancel. A square equal to that root of plus minus 144. A equal to 12 centimeter positive taken. Perimeter equal to four into side A, 4 into 12, that 48 centimeters. So, side of 3 into side, sorry, perimeter of triangle, 3 into 12, that is a 36 centimeters. Sorry, this, note down this, correct, baby? Now here, come on question. Next question. Question 2. This is given right angle triangle. In figure, right angle triangle, this given 16 centimeter, AC 16 centimeter, and this 8 centimeter, this D, this B. In figure, ABC right angle triangle, and BCD equilateral triangle. BCD is triangle of side BC equal to 8 centimeter. Given in figure, AC equal to 16 centimeter. Find area of shaded portion. Find area of shaded portion. Solution 2. AB equal to root AC square minus BC square. This 16 square minus 8 square. This becomes AB equal to 16 plus 8 and 16 minus 8, A square minus B square. AB equal to 24 into 8, AB equal to 24 3 into 8 into 8, therefore AB equal to 8 root 3. Area of shaded portion, area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle BCD equal to 1 by 2 BC into AB minus root 3 by 4 into BC square. 1 by 2, 8 into 8 root 3 minus root 3 by 4 into 8 into 8, because this 8 centimeter and this 8 centimeter. Then this 30 root 3 minus 16 root 3, or you can say 16 root 3 centimeter square. Area of shaded portion is this 16 root 3 centimeter square. Calculate the area and height of a equilateral triangle whose perimeter calculate the area and height of an equilateral triangle triangle whose perimeter is 16. Whose perimeter is 60. Let side of A solution 3 side A, B, C, A, and height, corresponding height of BC is H. Perimeter equal to 3A. This is 60 equal to 3A. A equal to 20 centimeter. Area of triangle ABC, equilateral triangle ABC, root 3 by 4 into A square. This become here root 3 by 4 into 20 square, that we will get root by 4 into 20 into 20. This 100 root 3 centimeter square means 100 into 1.732 centimeter square, that will be equal 173.2 centimeter square. Area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 VC into AD, that you can say 173.2 equal to 1 by 2 into 20 into AD H. Then H equal to 173.2 by 10 h equal to 17.32 centimeter. This is answer of the question. This. If the difference between the side of right angle triangle, if the difference between this side of a right angle triangle is 3 centimeter and its area 54 centimeter square, find its perimeter. Now your solution for let this x and this is x plus 3. Let x be cx plus 3. Therefore, let AB equal to x and BC equal to x plus 3 because difference there. According to question, area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 BC into AB. This 54 equal to 1 by 2 BC x plus 3 into x plus 3 into x. Therefore 108 equal to x square plus 3x or x square plus 3x minus 108 equal to 0. Yeah, x square plus 12x minus 9x minus 108 equal to 0. x plus 12 minus 9 x plus 12 equal to 0. x plus 12 x minus 9 equal to 0. After fact, x equal to minus 12 invalid. X equal to 9 centimeter. Now, after that, side AB equal to x equal to 9 centimeter. BC equal to x plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12 centimeter. AC equal to AB square plus BC square, 9 square plus 12 square. This AC equal to 81 plus 154, that 2 to 5, that 15 centimeter. Perimeter AB plus BC plus CA that 9 plus 12 plus 15 that 36 centimeter. Answer of the question third. This is fourth question. Please solve the numerical 20A.